Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you know, I love to showcase other creators' work, whether it be in the crafting community, the great outdoors community, the cooking community, whatever it is. If I see something that just strikes me as pure, good, and honest, I like to promote it. I went to an auction here on YouTube recently, and the lady was selling these little journals. I said, well, they look real easy to make. So I bought one. And I'm going to tell you now, her camera nor mine is ever going to do this the justice it deserves. Because when I bought it, I had no idea that I was getting such a great little journal. So I want to show it. And I believe it was Linda Carruthers that I bought this from. And if I'm wrong, somebody correct me down below and I will edit and fix it. But I believe it was her. So it's a simple little paper journal. And I'm going to quit saying simple because there's nothing simple about this. You can tell she thought it out. She took her time. And she color coordinated. But she filled it with surprises and goodies and just so much creativity that when I bought it at the auction, I never saw all this goodness in here. She's got the little bag in here that is just stuffed full of things that you can use, and there's another little mini journal inside of this bag. Look at this. Isn't this just adorable? It says, let's play. And then down here it says, smell the flowers. It is just simply adorable. They miss you. That's so cute. Hooray, it's time to rest. And look at these. How cute is this? And this pocket is packed. Let me tell you, it is packed. And she put a little Bible verse in it. How is it sweet? But look at this. How clever a little idea is this? She's put these little mini journals throughout it and tied them together with some little cloth. It looks like cheesecloth. Very creative. And here's another one, just stuffed. I mean, it is stuffed. I didn't pay a lot for this, and now I feel bad because, wow, this is a little paper bag that you just put stuff down inside of, like a little tuck. But on the outside, look at this. She went overboard with creativity on this. Isn't that adorable? I love clusters. This is just fantastic. And I don't know if she didn't show it all or if I don't remember it all. But, wow. Here's another little tuck spot. Look at this. How creative. You got your little tuck there. But this is really, I'm hoping my camera is picking up the pure beauty and the color coordination, and it's not, I'm not going to say simple again, it's not simple. It is absolutely gorgeous the way she did this, and I'm still trying to figure out how she put it together, but I'm not seeing any sew marks on it. I don't know. Did she glue them together? Yeah, I'm not seeing any sewn marks, so it is simply amazing. And I really like it. And, oh, on the back, we have another pocket. And it's got stuff stuck in it. Wow, she really just filled this thing up. So if you get a chance to get one of her journals, I highly suggest it because they are so stinking cute. And of course, you know me and my pink, so yeah, I had to get this one. And you know what? I'm not going to use it. I'm not, because To me, it's going to be more of a decorative piece in the craft room. I think what I'll do is try to find some ribbon, wider ribbon as close as I can, and make a little V up here and use this as like a little wall hanging, because it's just too stinking cute to use. And I like to decorate my craft room with things that people have sent me and have made out, you know, from the heart. So, yeah, if you get a chance to go to one of her sales again and get one of her books, get them, okay? Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.